Now that you have your Garmin Approach R50 portable golf launch monitor, we will guide you through setting up your new device. When you first open the box, you will find a case with a device, power cable, and a case shoulder strap. Attach the case strap clips to the side of the case. Make any length adjustments to the strap for proper fit over your shoulder. Next, open the case and remove the Approach R50. On the back of the case, you will find 5 sheets of 50 stickers. These stickers will need to be applied to the top center of each club face for the best swing data results. Garmin recommends fully charging the launch monitor before taking it out to the driving range or for outdoor setups without a power source. To charge your Approach R50, attach the AC adapter to the power cable. Then slide down the port cover on the back of the device. Insert the barrel jack into the Approach R50 and attach the AC plug into the wall. Before placing the Approach R50 in your hitting space, let's set up the device. Press the power button under the left side of the screen to power on the Approach R50. This is also how you can later place the device into sleep mode. Once you see the startup animation, select the language box in the middle of the screen if you need to change your preferred language. Now select Get Started to begin the setup. Here you will see a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. A Wi-Fi connection is required to sync your round data, downloading Home T Hero courses, and when using other services. There are a few features that do not require a Wi-Fi connection during use. See your owner's manual for more details. Select your network and then enter in your password. Select Connect when finished. You should then see your region and time zone. If they are incorrect, simply select the item and scroll over the options. Then select the correct item. Once done, press Next. Now we can sign into your Garmin account. This is used to sync round data to the Garmin Golf app. You can skip this option by selecting Create a Guest Profile, but in this video, we will show the sign-in process. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create New Garmin Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. Now, select which hand you swing with and select Next. Here, you will see the system of measurement that the launch monitor will use. If you are logged into your account, it will mirror your Garmin Golf app preferences. If needed, select an option to make a change. Once finished, press Done. You can also register your Approach R50 to your Garmin account. Select Yes. Now you will be directed to the main user selection screen. Here you can access items such as adding additional users, editing users, settings, and shutting down the launch monitor. When additional users are added, you will see additional avatars for each user. To begin play, select a user avatar. On the main display, you can choose from the following gameplay options: practice for a drive range experience, play to access Home T Hero courses, including weekly tournaments, and connected services. Additionally, you can press the menu icon on the lower right corner of the screen to access your golf bag, past practice session data, golf sim scorecards, and the device settings. Device settings will allow you to make system changes, including display brightness, checking for software updates, and viewing downloaded courses. Before we begin play, let's talk about how to extend the display and proper placement for the Approach R50. Your Approach R50 includes an AV port located above the barrel jack port. You can use the AV port to extend the display to a TV or projector. In this last section, we will cover how to position your Approach R50 with your target. When setting up a T location, be sure that the T location and the device are on a similar surface height. If you are hitting the ball into a net, be sure that your tee location is set at least 6.5 feet away from the net and at least 6.5 feet behind the tee area. The area should be a location where you can comfortably swing. Now let's set up the target line and ball placement. The target line will be parallel to the front of the R50 through the point where the ball is placed. If you're hitting into a net or screen, you will need the front of the approach R50 to be perpendicular to it. However, if there is a particular target that is not parallel to the front of your device, such as on a driving range, then the target alignment feature lets you adjust the target line. See your owner's manual for details on making this adjustment. When placing the approach R50 on the ground, be sure it is at least 1.5 feet or 0.5 meters in front of your swing stance area. Failing to take one or more of the following actions could result in possible property damage or personal injury. You are now ready to take some swings with one of the gameplay modes. When selecting play, you will first need to download a course. Then you could add up to 4 players to your session. Next, select the tee box location for each player. Now you can adjust round settings. Finally, select Start Playing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help with your device, please visit support.garmin.com.